this is going to be the last of the 3 tutorials on how to build authorities. Now, this authority group that we're going to discuss are basically the things that will link back to AAT, the Architectural and Art Thesaurus, and they include the culture and periods, the materials, the subjects, and also the work types. Now, you're not going to need to create these very often because there's a lot of these records already created, but just in case, I want to show you how to do it. Now, let's say that we are going to need to create a new material for some ceramics that we're using bone china. So I'm going to go into Material, I'm going to create New, and we're going to go to AAT. Again, you can click the link. We're going to go to the web page and click over to the cataloging information and go to AAT, and it's this one right up on top. And all you have to do is put in the search thing. We're doing bone china, and the results, we have one result, and it happens to be the one that we're looking for. So you click on bone china. Again, it gives you all the information. Again, it's a good idea to copy and paste, so that's what we're going to do. Material name, we're going to paste in there. Material qualifier, we don't need to do. It's not that it's possibly bone china, it's not that it's probably bone china, it is bone china. Now, it is going to be a support, since it could have some type of glaze on top. So the bone china is actually the base of it, just like a canvas is the support for the medium, which would be oil. And material abbreviation, you don't need to do. Now, for the source, again, this is going to be pulled from AAT. Just click to the next previous record. Source is 25 for AAT. And we will need to get the source detail. So you hop back to AAT, or the ID, copy, and back to IRIS. Source detail will be the ID, pop it in there. Language is in English. So at that point in time, that's the major things that we actually need. If you click back, you'll notice that there is a place for notes, and if you've got notes for it, let's see what we have here. Yes, we have a few notes. Just go ahead and copy it and paste it into the notes section, and really you are done. Again, you can copy this and then throw it into your work record once it's created, but it's really that easy. So when you go back to the authorities, when you start looking into the materials, the subjects will be very similar as to how they're actually structured, using the same source and source abbreviations, and the details, which always put in the ID if you have it from AAT. But subjects can really be anything. Subjects are mainly used for keyword searching. So anything that you would be keyword searching is what you'd put in there, and relatively easy. So that's really what I want you to be able to do, is just pop over to AAT, find or do a search for what you're looking for, and then just bring that information through copy and paste back into the authority.